This is 1 cup of boiled chana. Simply soak chana for at least 8 to 10 hours and then boil it with little salt in water. Once your chanas are ready, then to make these more crispy, we'll add gram flour or besan. Then we'll also add rice flour. Then we have added chopped ginger and garlic, and after that we'll add 1 tablespoon of oil, add a pinch of salt. Then we will mix all these ingredients nicely. Use your hands to mix it well because we basically want to coat the chana with both the flours and my coated chanas are ready. You can deep fry these chanas to make it crispy. However, I'll be using my air fryer to fry these chanas. I have already preheated my air fryer. Now we'll place all our coated chana in the air fry basket. Here it goes. Just give a light shake. We'll air fry our chanas at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Depending upon the crispness of chana you need, you can further air fry it. After air frying, my chanas are ready. Did you hear that sound? These chanas are quite crispy. Now let's prepare our white chana chaat. For this we'll add all our chopped vegetables. Here goes my chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped cucumber. Cucumber I have not removed the peel. Simply wash the cucumber nicely and then add it. Add salt as per your taste. Then we'll add chaat masala, add fresh coriander and give it a nice toss. Look at this beautiful color combination. This is a very healthy snack recipe. You can munch on it any time of the day whenever you are feeling hungry in between meals. Lastly, add lemon juice in it to add to the flavor. Once again, we'll mix it. Here is my very healthy power-packed chana chaat ready. 1 kg kachalu. I am preparing this chaat for a get together at my place, so I have taken more quantity. However, you can reduce down the quantity. Firstly, to prepare kachalu, we have to boil it just like we boil potatoes with little salt in it, and then we'll peel off the skin of all the kachalu. After that, once you peel it, then we'll cut it into small pieces like these. So I have cut all the kachalu in this manner. So my kachalus are ready. Let's look at the other ingredients which we need to make our kachalu chaat. Tamarind puree, which is the most important ingredient in any of the chaat we prepare. So I've already prepared this tamarind puree. Then we need roasted carom seeds, which is ajwain. You need to simply roast ajwain on a heated tawa and then remove it from the flame. Half a cup of pomegranate seeds and fresh coriander leaves. Then we need lemon and few green chilies. In the spices, we'll use salt, red chili powder and rock salt, which is kala namak. Firstly, we'll prepare a paste of 1 tablespoon of tamarind pulp, few fresh coriander leaves and green chilies. We need to grind it in a mixer grinder jar so that we get a nice paste of all these ingredients. Here is my paste ready. Let's mix all the other ingredients together in the kachalu. Into our boiled kachalu pieces, add generous amount of tamarind puree. It will give the right amount of sourness to our kachalu chaat. Then add roasted carom seeds, which is ajwain. And after that, we'll add all the spices. You can add the spices as per your taste, salt, red chili powder, and then we'll add rock salt, which is the kala namak. You can change the quantities and the measurements of all the ingredients which we have used as per your taste. And lastly, here goes my paste which we had prepared earlier. The green chili and the coriander leaves paste. You can even add cut pieces of green chili into it. Then we have added lemon juice, few fresh cut chopped coriander leaves and pomegranate seeds. Then we'll give a nice toss to our kachalu chaat. Further, we'll add little more tamarind puree. Thereafter, into our balanced tamarind puree, I have added colored red chili powder to give color to our chaat. So, I will add this complete quantity of colored tamarind puree. Then, we'll again give our kachalu chaat a final toss. Kachalu chaat is ready. Let's serve it now. You will truly love this kachalu chaat. It has got the right amount of tanginess, the sourness. This is a filling recipe. You can serve it for your kitty parties, for your get-togethers. Even my family love this chaat recipe. Finally, you can garnish it with few pomegranate seeds. Goes a coriander leaf on top of both the plates. And our yummylicious kachalu chaat is ready. You have to try it once to know its taste.
Firstly, you need to drain extra water from the corn kernels. After that, take a big bowl into which we will add salt and black pepper. We will mix it nicely. Thereafter, we will sprinkle rice flour onto it. Do not add water to mix it because there is already moisture in corn kernels. We have to give a nice coating of rice flour to our corn kernels. Rice flour will give crispness to our kernels. Once the mixing is done, we'll allow it to rest for 1 minute. Then we have to heat oil in a pan. You can even deep fry the kernels, but I will be shallow frying these. Be little careful while you stir fry these because kernels might pop up. So we can even cover the pan with a lid. Keep on stirring the corns in between. It will take approximately 5 to 10 minutes for corns to get crispy. Now you can see my corns are done. The color of the corn has changed. We'll switch off the flame and we'll transfer all the corns on a tissue paper. Into the same pan, we'll heat little butter because we are now preparing the tempering for our crispy corns. To this, we will add sliced onions. We do not want our onions to get too brown. So at this stage only we'll add sliced capsicum. We will saute both the things together. Add little bit of soya sauce. Then add vinegar. You can further add fresh coriander into it.
Here are my crispy corn kernels ready to serve.